standing lonely in the rain, waiting for my train again. Footsteps echo down the lane. Time moves slow but feels the same. Whispers in the passing breeze carry memories that tease. Shadows dancing, lights will fade, leaving marks that won't erase. I wait for a train to take me far away from all the pain and yesterday. The tracks they shine like silver veins, leading me through winds and rain. Clock ticks on the station wall, voices rise then softly fall. Ticket folded in my hand to a place I've never planned. Whispers in the passing breeze carry memories that tease. Shadows dance and lights will fade, leaving marks that